Hi, I'm Ruth Selby, and I'm at the Samik headquarters to present the new CK line of combination vegetable prep and food processor machines. These combi veg prep and food processors have two functions. One, they can cut vegetables over 70 different ways with a capacity of 1,400 pounds of vegetables an hour. Two, the food processor can puree, chop, knead, and emulsify in seconds. The machine includes a variable speed motor block, a universal head attachment, and a large production head attachment, a 5-liter mixing bowl, and a serrated blade. Now let's have a look at the vegetable prep function. We can choose between 5 variable speeds depending on the vegetable and the desired cut. And with new discs and grids, cuts are more precise and uniform. They also produce less liquid in the cutting process. The ergonomic design of these combi machines requires only one arm motion, making it comfortable to process large amounts of vegetables. The lid and head attachment are both easily removable for cleanup. The waterproof control panel is intuitive and simple to use. Now let's have a look at the food processor. This 5-liter mixing bowl uses a micro-serrated blade. There's up to 10 variable speeds with a timer and a pulse function. In addition to the micro-serrated blade, there's an optional flat blade or a perforated blade for different uses. One of the best things about the food processor is this scraper, which cleans the sides of the bowl to ensure even mixing. Samik combination veg prep and food processors are NSF certified and comply with all US, Canadian, and European Union requirements for food safety preparation. Available accessories include a wide range of discs and grids for slicing, grating, and cutting, a flat blade and a perforated blade attachment for the food processor, a head attachment with tube-shaped input for long vegetables, an automatic hopper, and a card stand attachment. This is the optional hopper attachment, which I'm going to use to dice potatoes. It's as simple as putting the potatoes in here and letting the grid and the blade do the work. With just one base and 2 production functions, the Samik combination vegetable prep and food processor will be the workhorse of your kitchen. Thanks for watching.